It's Chidori, and I was just trying to fire glitch, and I actually got to this little spot inside this little wall in Dark Cathedral way up here, and you actually just walk down here. Whoa, well, I started to fall. But you can actually get inside of there. Well, I just went God mode in here. Wow. But I don't know if that's new or not. I don't think it's new, but I just did that at random. So I'll see you guys next time. Hey, it's Chidori, and I'm doing super wrench jumps on my top screen. It's like I'm coming down and wrenching up really high. And look, I'm not being hit or anything, just wrench jumping. I guess it's just called super wrench jumping. I'm not sure if I discovered this either, but it was random. So yeah. Whee! So I guess I'll see you guys next time. It's Chidori. Sorry I don't have too much of a good view, but hold up. I actually found a new glitch during this. Look, an unpickable shield. Look at that. In the middle of a game. That's awesome. I'll see if my local can do it. Now you can't pick it up either. That's amazing. Hold up. I had to V10 to do this. Yeah, it's childish of me, but oh well. It's to record this during this game. Look at the top screen again. Look at that. Oh. Well, yeah, that's the glitch. So, hold up. My local's about to try to fire down. Just look on the bottom. Can you pick it up? Oh, you can. That's weird, though.
Try to see if you can.
Oh, well, that's the glitch, guys. So, I guess I will see you guys next time.